Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, all sawmill logs have been removed from our property. In this picture, this was the picture of the truck that my neighbor took for us. It was just one triaxle truck load to get all of them. We're extremely happy and blessed to see the full build site now without the logs on them. And it's really nice and really exciting for us to get another step, another piece of the puzzle finished. We also were able to do a little more site clearing with some cutting of the firewood, and also my wife burned more brush, so we did that and we're really excited. Something that both my wife and I have noticed since doing this journey of clearing land and creating a homestead is being more patient and letting things kind of work their way out with jobs. So the prime example is the sawmill logs. So we had spoken previous to this sawmill, probably close to 6 or 7 different loggers or sawmills in the area that all told us the same thing, that we were going to have to pay them. It was going to be no profit for them, and that we were just pretty much going to have to pay them plus the value of the logs to have the job done. And through patience and taking our time and just talking to other people, getting recommendations, doing more research, we found the sawmill that we ended up going with that was in the need for poplar, which was our majority of our trees. And they were more than willing to go out there, and we ended up, like I said in a previous video, not having to pay anything for the job. And now we have no large logs left, and it's just up to us to clear the rest of the tops, turn them into firewood, and burn the rest of the brush. And we're going to come out of this on the first phase of creating a homestead, which is clearing the land, and we're going to come out of it without paying anything for anyone. And so that's really a big takeaway that we've seen so far, is being more patient and letting your options kind of unfold, and really, exploring each option and finding what best works for you, so you have to pay the least amount of money to get the work that you need done. So that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. We just thank you for watching. I just wanted to add a little picture here of when we had the logs, and then I'll throw in a photo of what it looks like now without the logs there. We're really excited to see that extra chunk added to our build site. We've got a lot more work to do. Our next big job that you're going to be seeing is obviously continuing to clear, and then actually graveling this second part of our lane to make it a lot easier to get in and out. And then in the near future, hopefully we'll be getting ready to start drilling a well. So we'll keep you guys posted, hopefully to get more videos out. Just ask if you guys liked it to give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel, for we definitely have more videos to come.